Go.
Okay, a quick response. James Carnahan III, James Russell Carnahan, said that this is going to poke right back through if I hit it on the other side. Not sure where he got his information, but he spoke pretty doggone confidently about it. So, let's fix this hole. Apply heat, check the temperature with the rod. Keep the rod out of the flame. Now lower the torch, add heat. When it gets to the correct temperature, the core's open, the rod melts, and I go by right past it, the hole on both sides for strength. And then there it is. Now we'll try punching it on the other side. There's a lot of other products out there. They all don't work like our product. This is our proprietary product. I'm talking kind of fast. I'm going to keep the post kind of short, but I guess I shouldn't do that. There it went solid. Now it's still extremely hot. It goes solid at 716 degrees. I'm going to let that cool a little bit. Now we'll try poking it back this way like I did in the original video. You can see. Now we'll open up the can. Here's the inside. Very clean. Didn't get the aluminum too hot at all. It's still a little warm. I'm going to elevate it, and here comes the money shot. How about that? Now, can you see that well? What do you think, James? Good? Bad? I also have a video on a pontoon repair where I repair a larger hole and I try to punch it out as well. Have a T-joint strength test. Go to youtube.com/c/aluminum-weld. That's our channel. youtube.com/c/aluminum-weld for the other strength videos. Done.